There are some signs that can help you determine if a technician is trustworthy or not. Here are some tips. Communication. A trustworthy technician will communicate clearly and honestly with you about the problem, the solution, the cost, and the time frame. They will explain the technical terms in a way that you can understand and answer any questions you may have. They will also keep you updated on the progress and inform you of any changes or issues. Professionalism. A trustworthy technician will show professionalism in their appearance, behavior, and work ethic. They will arrive on time, be courteous and respectful, and follow the safety and hygiene protocols. They will also use quality tools and equipment, follow the industry standards and best practices, and guarantee their work. Transparency. A trustworthy technician will be transparent about their credentials, experience, and reputation. They will provide you with their contact information, business license, insurance, and certifications. They will also show you their online reviews, ratings, and testimonials from previous clients. They will not hide any information or charge any hidden fees. Integrity. A trustworthy technician will have integrity in their dealings with you and your computer. They will respect your privacy and confidentiality and not access or copy any of your personal or sensitive data without your permission. They will also not install any unwanted software or malware on your computer or sell your information to third parties. They will only do what is necessary and ethical to fix your computer problem.